powerful improvised explosive device IED weighing around 5 kg was found at around 7:30 am at Sejang village along Imphal-Ukhrul Road under Yangangpopi police station. According to police reports, the bomb was later defused at 10:40 am, the report said. The World Health Organization has called the new coronavirus outbreak a pandemic, issuing a grim warning that the global spread and severity of the illness was due to alarming level of inaction. The number of cases across the globe has risen to more than 124,000 with 4,500 deaths, including a jump in fatalities, particularly in Iran and Italy, according to reports. With 13 more cases, the total number of confirmed cases of novel coronavirus in India has climbed to 73 today. In the wake of coronavirus scare, India has suspended all visas except a few categories such as diplomatic and employment till April 15. Manipur police has stepped up measures to prevent untoward incident in Imphal city during the 5-day-long Yaosang festival. Imphal West and Imphal East police have been conducting massive drives against use and sale of drugs and other intoxicants. They are also taking up action against violators of traffic rules in various parts of the city. Moreh town, which borders Myanmar, is facing multiple problems including price hike after the government sealed Indo-Myanmar border in view of the coronavirus pandemic. The Indo-Myanmar border has been sealed as a precautionary measure against COVID-19, the Manipur government has said. In a press release, the Meitei Council Moreh warned all business establishments in Moreh against price hike of essential commodities. A day after joining the BJP, Jyotiraditya Scindia met Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh this morning. Shah expressed confidence that Scindia induction will further strengthen the BJP's resolve to serve the people of Madhya Pradesh. Scindia also paid a courtesy visit to Rajnath Singh at his residence in New Delhi. A one-day awareness program on coronavirus was held yesterday at Al-Amin School, Jiribam, organized by Legal Ad Clinic, Sonapur. Doctors and medical staffs of Jiribam attended the program. Spring-shed-based watershed development project was launched at Buanwang, Taudenjang village of None district yesterday. The program was organized by Development and Relief Department, Rongmei Naga Baptist Association under the sponsorship of NABARD, Manipur Regional Office. A one-day awareness camp cum demonstration of field testing kit FTK and hand wash demonstration was held at Jadonang Memorial College, Longmei, None district headquarters. The program was a part of Poshan Pakhwada 2020. The program was organized by District Water and Sanitation Committee, PHED None Division and District Administration None. The 21-year-old artist Rahul Parikh, hailing from Assam's Dhubri, has made it to the Asia Book of Records. Rahul has set a record for making an innovative mechanical portrait of State Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal, using a computer motherboard. The Supreme Court today refused to accord urgent hearing on a plea seeking postponement of Indian Premier League IPL 2020 amid the coronavirus scare. A vacation bench of Justice U. Lalit and Aniruddha Bose told the petitioner that he could mention the matter for urgent listing before the regular bench on March 16 when the Apex Court will reopen after this holy break. Teenager Lakshya Sen impressed on his All England Open debut as the Indian settler defeated world number 18 Lee Chu-kyu of Chinese Taipei to progress to the second round of Birmingham yesterday. However, there were major disappointments for India as Saina Nehwal, Sai Praneeth and Kidambi Srikanth's All England Open 2020 campaigns ended as early as the first round. Star settler PV Sindhu through progress to the second round yesterday with a comfortable win.